Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Talal Hussain and today I'll be talking about a very important question, and that is how many tests should a student solve to be ready for the test, right? So test readiness is a very important topic, and you'll find many students and many instructors and many tutors and many people as a whole talking about how a student can be exactly ready for the test, right? So now there is no perfect criteria on how many tests one should solve, but there is one thing for sure, right? You cannot be ready for the test if you are solving only one test before the test, right? So solving one practice test would give you an idea of where you stand before going for the actual test, but obviously it will not make you test ready. Now let's understand what test ready actually means, right? Now being test ready means that you know where you are faltering. Being test ready means that you know where your mistakes are and you have tried to improve on it, right? So that can only happen when you solve multiple practice tests, right? So now the procedure would go something like this. When you solve the first practice test, ideally what you should do is that you should go for your score report, right? And you should look for the mistakes that you have done, right? You should work out the recurring mistakes that you have, and you should make conscious efforts to go topical and understand or re-understand the concepts that you may have understood before as well, right? If you start doing it and if you continuously start solving the practice tests, right, and you keep on analyzing and working on your errors as well, right, that will eventually improve your score as well, and in the long run make you test ready as well, right? So my take on this is that you should solve at least 3 to 4 practice tests in order to know where you stand, to understand what your mistakes are, and to work on those mistakes to improve them and get your score to where you actually want it to be, right? So if you want to be test ready, solve at least 3 to 4 tests, work on your mistakes and get about those mistakes, go topical, relearn those concepts and consciously apply the right concepts when you solve the new test. You'll get a good score after that, hopefully. Thank you so much.